I would point out one thing that was mentioned to me on several occasions in meetings that I had with Prime Minister Mellis, which I always found fascinating, and I was never able to sort of get from him why he made those statements. But on several occasions during the conflict, the 1998 to 2000 conflict, he said, Mr. Ambassador, you know, one of these days we're going to be back together again. And I would try to press on that to find out how is this going to happen? What's the plan here? He gave no time frame at all, and he did not imply that it would happen in his lifetime. But he made that statement several occasions to me, and I found it intriguing, but was never able to determine why he thought that was going.
safiirkani wuxuu ka hadlay dagaalkii dhex maray dowladda Ethiopia iyo Eritrea 1998 iyo 2000 dagaalkaas oo ka dhacay Badama marna ma una soo hadal qaadin Soomaaliya iyo xaalkeeda midda kale wuxuu yiri mar labaad ayaanu dib u midoobi doonaa marka waa ay qolada ay marka hore mid ka wada ahaayeen Soomaaliya iyo Ethiopia weligood ma ina midaysneen laba dal oo kala gooni ah ayay ahaayeen